Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you how I make my strawberry cheesecake ice cream from scratch, and this is the no-churn version, so you don't need an ice cream maker to make this. And it tastes just as delicious. I'm making the strawberry portion first, so I'm just taking some strawberries and putting them in the sauce pot with some sugar and a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to stir that up and cook that over medium-high heat for about 15 minutes until most of the liquid is cooked out and it's a jam-like consistency. And I'm making sure to stir this frequently because I want to make sure that everything cooks at an even rate. Also, if you're not a fan of the actual strawberry pieces in your ice cream, you can blend up the strawberries before and cook it down that way. After about 15 minutes, this is what your end result should look like. And I'm just going to transfer this into a bowl so it can cool while I work on the ice cream base. To start off the base, I'm using some heavy cream, and I'm just going to whip this until I get stiff peaks. This is what it should look like, and if you don't want to bother with whipping cream, you can also use Cool Whip. In a separate bowl, I'm going to whisk together the cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, salt, and vanilla. And I'm just whisking this until I get a smooth texture. Now I'm going to fold the whipped cream into this mixture. And I'm going in with half at a time just to make sure I can incorporate everything easier. I'm making sure to fold the whipped cream in until there are no visible lumps and no streaks. Now that the ice cream base is done, I'm going to fold in my cheesecake pieces. You can feel free to omit the cheesecake pieces if you don't want them. Since there is cream cheese in the ice cream base, it'll still taste like cheesecake, but I just find that the cheesecake pieces just add more texture. Now that everything is ready, it's time to assemble. So I'm just taking a freezer safe dish and I'm going to layer this in about 3 layers. So I'm taking some of that ice cream base and layering it on the bottom. Then I'm going in with the strawberries that we made earlier, and I'm going to sporadically place this throughout the mixture and spread it around. You can do this however you like. Just think about how you want to eat your ice cream in the end. So I want a lot of large pockets of strawberry. If you want smaller pockets, or if you want more of a swirl throughout, just mix it how you would want to eat it. And I'm just going to continue this layering process until I've used up all of my ice cream base and all of the strawberries. Now just pop this in your freezer and allow to set for at least 8 hours, and your ice cream will be ready to serve. This batch was pretty solid by the time I took it out the freezer, so I did have to leave it to set on the counter for about 5 or 10 minutes before I scooped it. For those of you who asked for a no-churn version of my previous recipe, I hope this is helpful. I hope you try this out. And please let me know if there are other no-churn ice cream recipes you'd like to see me make on this channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also please share this video with someone who you think will enjoy this recipe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.